Welcome guys and welcome to today's video. So today is another typical day in my life. So I'm just going to be documenting everything I'm going to be doing today. From if I'm going to take a trade today, I'm going to document it. If I'm going anywhere, I'm going to document it. So guys, today, like I said earlier, is another day in my life. So currently I took an L yesterday on yesterday's trade that I placed, right? The trade, okay, it was, I took the trade day before yesterday, and the trade ended up hitting my stop loss yesterday. Now today is Friday, and personally for me, I don't feel like taking a trade. Even if I see a setup, I really don't feel like taking a trade. But for the fact that I'm actually logging today, I feel like actually taking the trade, right? Because usually Fridays are always nice too. Fridays always move like really good, so you might as well just take a trade. But naturally, if it was just to be me, I probably wouldn't have anywhere close to the chart. I'll probably say like next week Tuesday, because Mondays are usually so slow and trying to figure out a particular direction he wants to go. So it's naturally it would have been till next week. But let's see the chart. If we see a good high quality setup, like a high quality setup, then we'll go in. But if you don't, then we'll probably just let it go. Alright guys, so this is my 15 minutes time frame right here. This is my 15-minute time frame, and this was the trade I took day before yesterday. I took this trade on Wednesday. Today is currently Friday, and yeah, this was how far the trade went. This was supposed to be a clean 1 to 2 weeks to reward. Okay, 1 to, I put 1 to 3, but usually I always close out at 1 to 2 depending on how I see the market moving. So let's go to our 4 hours time frame. Currently the time is 8:50. Like I said, today is Friday, so let's go to our 4 hour time frame. Let's do our normal analysis and let's see what we can get out from the market today, if we see a high quality setup or not. So from what I'm basically seeing, from as usual, the market's been trending to the upside from the 4 hours time frame, but I really don't like to like get my market trend from the 4 hours. I rather use the 1 hour, because I feel like the 4 hours time frame is just too big to use to as a day trader to like get your direction of the market. Wherever the 1 hour is directed, that's where I'm most likely going to take that trade. So 1 hour, I'm seeing the direction of the market. This drop, I'm noticing something. But let's go to the 1 hour time frame and let's see what we can. Let me just delete this previous trend lines I used to draw, because I don't think they are relevant to this chart any longer. So I'll just zoom out. And what am I currently seeing right now? So I don't think I'm seeing a setup for today right now. Like, I swear to God, I ain't seeing no setup today. So naturally, what I'm supposed to do is, since I've been able to get this counter trend line inside this main trend, right? Let me get my rectangle. So here's the rectangle. So what I'm actually looking at, right, is price to break this trend. I'm expecting price to break this trend line. Once price has been able to break this trend line, then I'll think of buying, of going long at that particular period. I'll think of going long at that particular period. Probably my stop loss somewhere around here, and I'll be targeting ×2. But from what I'm seeing, I don't think that would happen today, or probably it would, but I'm not sure about the chart when it would happen. Maybe it will happen in New York session, and you guys know that I don't really trade New York session at all. I stopped trading in New York session. I just want to focus on just the London session. So I don't think that this would actually happen in this our London session. It's probably going to happen in the New York session. So setup wise, I'm not really seeing any setup today. So we'll come back till Monday, guys. So yeah, that's the thing about being a disciplined trader. You have to like stick to your rules, and yeah, that's basically it, guys. To be honest with you guys, currently I'm not seeing any setup at all to go into a trade. I'm seeing the setup, but it's building up. It's still building up. Once that trend line has been broken, then that should be a good setup. But if it happens during the New York session, I probably won't even be there to take the trade. So I'm done with trading. Today's Friday. Don't want to take another loss again. Yeah, I had like 2 back-to-back wins and that loss, so I'm trying to like keep the streak of the wins. So try to like avoid over trading, and yeah, it's not even a good quality setup, so I can't really take it. So yeah, probably the next time I'll be on the chart will be probably on Tuesday. That's when I'll be in the right frame of mind to take my next trade, and we hope that trade turns to a win. If you're not in my Telegram channel, if you're not in my Telegram community, use the link. The description is going to be below this video. You can join my Telegram channel. I usually drop my signals there whenever I take my trades, and yeah, that's basically it. So guys, today I'm going to be heading to the bank. I want to create a new account. I noticed something. I turned 18 few days ago, right? And I noticed something. after I created my account, okay, I turned 18 in August, right? And I created an account with this bank, how they call this Global Bank, but I noticed that they are not really there are a lot of restrictions, like a lot of payments I cannot make online. And yeah, I did my research and I noticed that some banks, not all banks in Nigeria, actually allow online payment and all of those things, which Global Bank is included. So I'm actually going to go create a new bank account with a bank that allows all of those things, no restrictions, and yeah. So that's where I'll probably be going today, and hopefully I'll show you guys everything and document the whole journey in this video and vlog the whole thing in this video. So yeah guys, come with me and yeah, let's go create a new account. Well guys, it's currently 11:54, so I slept off, and yeah, I don't think I'll be able to go to the bank any longer, because if there's one thing I know about Nigeria and banks is that they are never straightforward. So I'm already late, so I don't think I'm going to go there. I'll just be going to the state library. Yeah, so yeah, I'll just be heading right there. And yeah, so I kind of like paid for subscription there, so I'm free to use the space whenever I like, okay, or whenever they are open. So packing my stuff right now. So yeah, let's go.
Sometimes you love too hard, sometimes you go too far. I won't want you if you need me. Real things don't not come easy, no. Never been your average girl.
Welcome guys, so welcome here. I got this phone holder right here. I just opened it right now and I just let me show you guys. So just the typical phone holder. I never used phone holder before. How did it done?
Easy, cool down, simmer, cool down, love, cool down, simmer, cool down, please, cool down, simmer, cool down, love, cool down, cool down, cool down, simmer, cool down, cool down, cool down, cool down, simmer, cool down, cool down,
Okay guys, so I just got back from the library and yeah, that's basically right now. What I'm basically doing right now is I'm currently trying to edit this video, and yeah, I'm just shooting the outro of the video. So you guys, this is basically the end of today's video. Do well to drop a like, right, and subscribe to this channel to help it grow, guys. Try to hit 1K obviously, because that's the next milestone. I just already hit 500 like a few weeks ago. I'm trying to hit 1K right now, so make sure to drop that support. Really going to be needed to me. It's free for you but cost me everything. So yeah guys, drop that like and yeah, subscribe to drop a comment. And yeah, you can also use the link to join my Telegram community, guys. Like, that's where you get to see me every single day. So yeah, catch you guys on the next one. Peace and love, guys.